Two powerhouse names in online learning and community. A matchup everyone's been waiting for. Which one really delivers? On the left, Mighty Networks, your all-in-one hub for community, courses, and events. And on the right, Udemy, the globe-spanning course marketplace for every kind of learner. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you.
Check it out! So here's the plan. We're comparing these two on a bunch of things that actually matter. Pricing and revenue, course creation features, community vibes, how discoverable your stuff is, mobile experience, integrations, branding and customization, and of course, who each platform is really best for. Got all that? Good. Keep it in mind as we hop from scene to scene.
First up, let's talk about that moolah, pricing and revenue, starting with Mighty Networks. So honestly, you pretty much get to set your own prices for courses and memberships. And here's the kicker, no middleman slicing into your revenue. You keep way more cash. And yeah, 135 currencies if you're going global. The catch? You gotta bring your own audience. Like, you have to do the heavy lifting on marketing. Now, flipping over to Udemy, for learners, joining is totally free, which is nice if you just want to peek around. Plus, the marketplace brings traffic to your courses. But, and it's a pretty big but, Udemy takes a decent chunk of your sales. We're talking a significant revenue share. Usually you keep around 37% if someone finds you on Udemy, and you don't have much control over refunds or random promotions they run. So, winner here? Honestly, Mighty Networks. If you want to keep the dollars you earn and set your own rates, it takes the cake.
Next, let's see how both stack up for course creation. So with Mighty Networks, oh man, you've got options. You can run regular courses, cohort-based courses, huge plus if you like group learning. Super easy segmentation too, like splitting into sections or lessons. Delivery, you want drip, sequential, or just unlock all at once? It's got you. And hey, gamification, habit trackers, challenges, that stuff's baked in. Both live and pre-recorded courses. There are a few downsides, like if you want really advanced video analytics or certifications, not happening here. The video player could use a facelift, but it's workable. Udemy's builder is honestly pretty simple, very plug and play. Tons of formats for your content, like video, articles, quizzes, and because of the marketplace, your stuff can get seen by, well, a lot of people. Customization's a bit meh, and don't expect live classes or interactivity. It's mostly pre-recorded static stuff, and some of those fancy features, not everyone gets access. So, between the two, Mighty Networks is definitely my pick for flexibility and features.
Now, let's talk about building a vibe, community and engagement. Mighty Networks is literally built to make community happen. We're talking forums, chat, events, member profiles, even live streams. So if you want people to actually interact and learn together, it's all there. It does mean you have to put in effort to grow your own network and keep people engaged. But if you pull it off, it's awesome. Udemy though, you get some Q&A sections under courses, maybe a bit of messaging with instructors, but there's just not much going on in terms of true community. Interaction is, let's say, pretty quiet. Definitely not their focus. So no surprises, Mighty Networks wins for keeping your audience talking and involved.
Oh, and here's something cool before we wrap up. Did you know Mighty Networks lets you totally brand your entire site? And hey, you can even use AI to whip up course outlines. Meanwhile, Udemy's sitting at 60 million learners worldwide. Seriously, that's like a whole country logging in.
All right, so what about discoverability? If you're hoping that people just stumble upon your amazing course and sign up, here's how these two handle it. On Mighty Networks, you get to own your brand and don't compete against other instructors on the same storefront. It's all you. But here's the thing. There's no giant directory. You're not going to get organic buyers wandering in unless you hustle with self-promotion. Udemy, on the other hand, is the world's course supermarket. Millions of learners, tons of marketing happened automatically, and your course can get found by skills, subjects, whatever. Downside, you're in a sea of thousands of competitors, and branding restrictions can be pretty tough. But for pure discoverability, Udemy snags this one. Moving on, how do both platforms do on mobile and accessibility? Okay, so let's start with Mighty Networks. They've got slick, dedicated apps for iOS and Android, which are honestly way better for those on-the-go interactions, especially if you're into building a community. Not a major household name just yet, so keep that in mind. Udemy? Well, everybody's heard of it, and their apps are everywhere. iOS, Android, all major platforms. It's super easy to learn wherever, whenever. So honestly, both score top marks here. We'll call it a tie. Let's talk integrations and automation. Mighty Networks goes all out. Over 52 integrations, including Slack, Discord, Stripe, Google Calendar, and tons more. Zapier support if you want to nerd out with automation workflows. Udemy is, all right. You get some basics like Slack, Google Sheets, Airtable, Zapier for simple stuff, but the list is way shorter, like 6 integrations, compared to, well, 50-something. So if plug and play with your stacked toolbox is important, Mighty Networks easily wins. All right, slippery slope, branding and customization. Mighty Networks, you basically get full brand control. Custom domain, colors, logos, white label options, they've put creators in the driver's seat, which is super rare. Udemy, though, it's mostly their branding all over everything. You can upload your own logo, sure, tweak your images, but that's about it. If you want your learners to feel like they're on your turf, Mighty Networks is kind of the only option. Winners, pretty clear. Lastly, who are these each best for? Mighty Networks, honestly, feels made for creators and entrepreneurs who want to control every detail. Their branding, pricing, audience, it's all on you, which is kind of awesome if you want that control. But heads up, you got to do your own marketing. Udemy, meanwhile, is gold if you want instant access to a marketplace. They take care of a lot of stuff, making it way simpler for beginner instructors or learners looking for variety. The trade-off, though, is less control. Learners will love the breadth, but instructors should know they're giving up some visibility and flexibility. So here, it really depends. There's not a clear winner, just what fits your style. All right, here's a quick look at how each stacks up across those categories. Picture a big radar chart here. Mighty Networks gets top scores in pricing, creation, engagement, integrations, and customization. Udemy's strengths are all about discoverability and huge audience reach, with solid scores on mobile and accessibility. So at the end of the day, if keeping everything branded, building a real community, and owning your course destiny sounds awesome, absolutely go with Mighty Networks. If you just want to get your course in front of a giant pool of learners and avoid having to market everything yourself, Udemy's the way to go. Both are kind of great, but your needs decide the winner. Hey, if you found this helpful, check out both platforms for yourself. See which fits your goals best. And honestly, give it a test run. Let me know what you think in the